Hi, I'm Ronald Mark. Today we will tackle about cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Imagine an empty box where you can store all of your important things. Cloud computing is like a storage where you can back up your data online. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. This is an example of proprietary hard drive, this in floppy disk, and this is also in flash drive. With cloud computing, rather than keeping files on a proprietary hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and the software programs to run it. Look at this guy. He forgot to bring his flash drive, where he stored his data that he barely needed.
I forgot my flash drive. Anyways, I'm using cloud storage.
Ha 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 ha. Till he realizes using cloud storage? With cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost savings. With cloud computing, you no longer have to deal with these capital costs. Instead, you can redirect those resources toward other priorities and initiatives. Increase productivity. When you switch to the cloud, you are no longer paying for unused infrastructure, like redundant servers. Efficient hardware utilization means less energy output and more money in your pocket. Speed and efficiency. Enterprise users can get applications to market quickly, without worrying about underlying infrastructure costs or maintenance. And security. Understanding cloud computing. Cloud computing is named as such because the information being accessed is found remotely in the cloud or a virtual space. Companies that provide cloud services enable users to store files and applications on remote servers and then access all the data via the internet. This means the user is not required to be in a specific place to gain access to it, allowing the user to work remotely. In cloud computing, always remember that cloud computing can be both public and private. Public, cloud services, provide their services over the internet for a fee. Private cloud services, on the other hand, only provide services to a certain number of people. These services are a system of networks that supply hosted services. There is also a hybrid option, which combines elements of both the public and private services. So, here are the three types of cloud computing. Software as a service, SaaS infrastructure as a service, IaaS platform as a service, PaaS. So what is software as a service? SaaS. Software as a service, SaaS, involves the licensure of a software application to customers. Licenses are typically provided through a pay-as-you-go model or on demand. This type of system can be found in Microsoft Office 365.1. So what is infrastructure as a service, IaaS? Involves a method for delivering everything from operating systems to servers and storage through IP-based connectivity as part of an on-demand service. Clients can avoid the need to purchase software or servers, and instead procure these resources in an outsourced on-demand service. Popular examples of the IaaS system include IBM Cloud and Microsoft Azure. And Platform as a Service, PaaS, is considered the most complex of the three layers of cloud-based computing. PaaS shares some similarities with SaaS, the primary difference being that instead of delivering software online, it is actually a platform for creating software that is delivered via the internet. Advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. But we will going to discuss first the advantages. Cloud-based software offers companies from all sectors a number of benefits, including the ability to use software from any device, either via a native app or a browser. As a result, users can carry their files and settings over to other devices in a completely seamless manner.
Yes, no hassle.
Cloud computing is far more than just accessing files on multiple devices. Thanks to cloud computing services, users can check their email on any computer and even store files using services such as Dropbox and Google Drive. Cloud computing services also make it possible for users to back up their music, files, and photos, ensuring those files are immediately available in the event of a hard drive crash. Versus the advantages. Security has always been a big concern with the cloud, especially when it comes to sensitive medical records and financial information. While regulations force cloud computing services to shore up their security and compliance measures, it remains an ongoing issue. Encryption protects vital information, but if that encryption key is lost, the data disappears. Thanks for watching.